Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password on the Glovo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then you should tap on the account or the profile icon that you can see in the upper left corner of the screen. Now you should tap on the My Information button in the account section. Then you should tap on the third option, Change Password. Now all you have to do is entering your current password, and then you should create a new password and then type it in. If you are done with these steps, press the button Done, and now your password has been updated, so now you are ready to use the new one. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.